Did you know that by 2024, 1 in 4 workers will be over 55? If you're nearing or past 60 and thinking about your career options, you're not alone. Many seniors are discovering that retirement at 65 isn't the only path. In this video, we'll explore real stories of people who found fulfilling careers after 60, and why traditional retirement might not be right for everyone. Have you ever thought about starting a new career after 60? You're in good company. More and more seniors are choosing to continue working or embark on new professional journeys. It's not just about earning money, it's about finding purpose, staying active, and using your wealth of experience in meaningful ways. We'll dive into 15 exciting job opportunities that are perfect for seniors, along with practical tips to help you land your dream position. And trust me, you won't want to miss number 8. By the end of this video, you'll see how the right job can lead to financial security, personal satisfaction, and a renewed sense of purpose in your later years. Are you ready to explore the possibilities? As we explore these exciting opportunities, you might be surprised to learn that some familiar roles are getting a senior-friendly makeover. Have you ever considered that your years of experience could make you the ideal candidate for jobs you might have overlooked? Let's uncover how traditional positions are now offering the perfect blend of engagement and flexibility for older adults. One such role that's gaining popularity among seniors is the administrative assistant. This position often comes with part-time options, making it perfect for those who want to stay active without committing to a full-time schedule. With an average pay of $19.16 per hour, or about $39,850 annually for full-time work, it's a rewarding way to put your organizational skills to use. Plus, many offices value the reliability and professionalism that comes with years of work experience. If you've always had a soft spot for education, becoming a substitute teacher might be right up your alley. It's become a popular second career for seniors, offering the flexibility to choose assignments and typically work part-time. Imagine sharing your knowledge with the next generation while earning around $28,270 annually. The best part? You'll have summers and holidays off, giving you plenty of time to enjoy your retirement. For those who enjoy being around people but prefer a less desk-bound role, consider becoming a school bus driver. This engaging job isn't physically demanding, making it an excellent fit for active seniors. With an average annual income of about $33,300 and a schedule that aligns with the school year, you'll have a steady routine with built-in breaks. It's a great way to stay connected with your community and make a difference in children's lives. The beauty of these positions lies in their flexibility. You can choose to work a few days a week or take on more hours if you prefer. This adaptability enables you to engage in work while still enjoying your retirement, leading to a satisfying and balanced lifestyle. Remember, these roles aren't just about earning an income. They're about finding purpose, staying active, and using your wealth of experience in meaningful ways. You might find that working as an administrative assistant keeps your mind sharp and your social connections strong. Or perhaps teaching as a substitute will reignite your passion for learning and mentoring. As a school bus driver, you could become an important part of your local community, forming connections with families and contributing to the safety and well-being of students. Each of these roles offers unique benefits that go beyond the paycheck, tapping into the skills and wisdom you've accumulated over the years. While these traditional roles offer great benefits, they might not be for everyone. What if I told you that your lifelong hobby, the one you've poured countless hours into, could become your new career? It's time to look at how your personal interests can open doors to exciting job opportunities. Many seniors are discovering that retirement doesn't have to mean the end of their professional lives. Instead, it can be a chance to pursue passions and hobbies that were previously set aside. This transition can lead to fulfilling careers that align with your interests and allow you to leverage your years of experience. Let's explore some jobs that are ideal for seniors, allowing you to turn your hobbies and passions into paychecks. Freelance writing, for example, offers flexibility and control over your work schedule. As a freelance writer, you can engage in projects that resonate with your expertise, earning an average of $30.39 per hour. Imagine using your years of knowledge and storytelling skills to craft articles, blogs, or even books on topics you're passionate about. If you've always enjoyed sharing your knowledge with others, tutoring could be a rewarding path. As a tutor, you can specialize in subjects you excel at, whether it's math, literature, or a foreign language. This role not only provides a sense of personal fulfillment but can also be financially rewarding, with tutors earning approximately $39,350 a year on average. Plus, you have the flexibility to set your own schedule, allowing you to balance work with other retirement activities. For those who love history, culture, or simply showcasing their hometown, becoming a tour guide could be an exciting option. This job involves more than just sharing knowledge about local attractions. It provides social interaction and light exercise, keeping you active and engaged. Tour guides typically earn around $13.27 per hour, with the potential to earn more based on location and expertise. You might be wondering, am I too old to start a new career? It's important to recognize the value of your life experience and the unique perspectives you bring to the workplace. Your years of knowledge and skills are invaluable assets that can set you apart in these roles. To transition into these new career paths, start by assessing your skills and interests. What hobbies have you enjoyed throughout your life? What subjects do you find yourself constantly reading about or discussing with friends? This self-reflection can lead to fulfilling job options that align with your passions. Remember, these careers aren't just about earning money, they're about finding purpose, staying active, and sharing your wealth of experience in meaningful ways. By choosing a job that aligns with your interests, you're more likely to find satisfaction and enjoyment in your work. Now, let's shake things up a bit. What if I told you that some of the most rewarding jobs for seniors are hiding in plain sight? There's a whole world of unexpected opportunities out there, and you might be surprised at how well suited you are for them. Let's explore some roles that might not immediately come to mind when you think of jobs for seniors, but actually offer fantastic opportunities for those with a wealth of life experience. Have you ever considered becoming a management consultant? It might sound like a young person's game, but seniors are actually in high demand in this field. Why? Because you've got decades of real-world experience that companies are eager to tap into. As a management consultant, you can leverage your expertise to advise businesses on improving their efficiency and profitability. The best part? You could earn around $56 per hour if you have substantial relevant experience. Not too shabby for sharing the wisdom you've accumulated over the years. If you've always been fascinated by the world of real estate, why not consider becoming a real estate agent? While it does require obtaining a license, the process is typically straightforward. Real estate offers a flexible schedule, perfect for seniors who want to balance work with other activities. Plus, with an average income of $50,730 per year, it can provide a nice boost to your retirement savings. Your life experience and people skills can be a huge asset in this field, helping clients navigate one of the biggest decisions of their lives. For animal lovers, here's an opportunity you might not have considered: dog walking. It's a great way to stay active, spend time outdoors, and earn some extra cash. Dog walkers make an average of $12.02 per hour, and that can increase based on the number of dogs you walk. It's a perfect job for seniors who want to keep moving and enjoy the company of furry friends. But here's the thing, transitioning into these roles might require some additional training or certifications. For instance, to become a licensed real estate agent, you'll need to pass an exam. Don't let that discourage you though. Many seniors find that pursuing new qualifications keeps their minds sharp and provides a sense of accomplishment. Now let's address the elephant in the room: ageism. Unfortunately, it's a reality in the job market, with nearly 1 in 4 workers aged 45 and older reporting negative comments about their age. But don't let that deter you. There are ways to overcome this challenge. For starters, familiarize yourself with the legal protections against age discrimination. Knowledge is power, after all. To stand out in the job market, consider optimizing your resume for applicant tracking systems, or ATS. These systems are used by many companies to screen applications, so making sure your resume is ATS friendly can increase your chances of getting noticed. Networking is another powerful tool. Your years of experience likely mean you have a wide network of contacts. Don't be afraid to use it. Lastly, Look into senior-specific job boards. These can be great resources for finding age-friendly employers and positions. Remember, your years of experience are not a liability. They're your superpower. The soft skills you've honed over decades, like communication, problem-solving, and adaptability, are invaluable in these roles and many others. Employers are increasingly recognizing the unique value that mature workers bring to the table. As we've seen, there's a wealth of job opportunities for seniors, from traditional roles with a twist to turning hobbies into careers. But how do you make these dreams a reality? Start by assessing your skills, interests, and goals. What truly excites you? What experience can you bring to the table? When job hunting, remember to optimize your resume for applicant tracking systems. Use a reverse chronological format and focus on relevant skills and achievements. Don't forget to tap into senior-specific job boards, which can be goldmines for age-friendly employers. Networking remains a powerful tool, so update your LinkedIn profile and attend industry events. Remember, your years of experience are a valuable asset, not a liability. Employers increasingly recognize the maturity and strong work ethic older workers bring. With these opportunities and strategies, you have the power to create a fulfilling and financially secure future. The best truly is yet to come.